Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Croatia. So let's get started. So here we have google.com and I will directly go and search for here top business bank account in Croatia. Okay, so here we can see, so the first bank is your OTP bank. Then we have here the P PBZ, then we have ERSTE bank, another bank. So in this one I'm going to show you how to open a bank account in your OTP banker. So I will go into the website. Okay, so basically you can just open your business bank account as a bank account here. Okay, so to open a business bank account here you have to go and search for your uh, basically current account. Okay, so basically they provide the current account in your branches or to open. So we'll just go to click and branch and ATM locator. Okay, so here you have to go to the nearest branch and from there you can open it. So here you will likely come and you can see here the bank branches. You have to look the location nearby you, so you can just give your location here and you will be like done. Okay, so while here you will directly put your location and they will show nearby banks. So by this you can just do it. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.